Yeah. Oh, I forgot to turn my camera on. Forgot to turn my camera on. There we go. What? If you go to my stream, I turned on my camera. I had to remember to turn it. Has a physical button, so I gotta remember to do it. Yeah, yeah. Let's not. That would involve two people getting banned. Well, I think that's a low number. I think I have more than that. No, I know what a PC is. I'm a software developer, and before this, I was a system admin, and before that, I did computer repairs. That is not true. Sudo does have too many computers, though. To be completely fair, I don't have 9 computers at my desk. Well, yeah, because like I only really have like five computers that I actively use. I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, not one more if you count my NAS because like technically it's a computer, but I don't really count it. Well, like technically it is, but like it is a purpose-built computer, so uh no, it doesn't have any graphics capabilities at all. Oh, you have to connect to it over um over over a web browser. Like technically it can I Chris, can I maybe not do the drawing today, or do I really have to do the drawing today? I don't know. Yeah, that's actually what it was. Scammed. uh, the 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 trick to making a pseudo suffer is to get pseudos to do anything art related. ZBrush. Anything ZBrush. The ZBrush is my least favorite 3D application outside of Blender. Being Blender is the worst for me. It is 2D drawing. I removed the ZBrush sculpt one, I think. I thought I increased it if anything. Ugh. God damn it. 1 second. I'm trying to find my glove so I can do this drawing. I don't even know where the fuck the glove is. It's the same person in both photos. That's a wig. I'm trying to find the glove so I can do this, and I don't know where the fuck it is. Like I actually don't know what. Oh wait, is it gonna work? Is this even gonna work? 1 second. I'm trying here. I'm trying. Oh, hey. Eat my asshole. Oh yeah, I still gotta like I gotta uninstall the Wacom shit so I can switch back to my new I can switch to my new tablet. Yeah, I've used this Wacom tablet like maybe 12 times and I was just so done with it. Yeah, I will never buy Wacom again. No, I have a Huey on. I have a Huey on around here somewhere. Um, and I'm going to switch to that at some point. I don't know when. So what am I drawing? I Yeah, it's a request from Chris. By the way, your 7-day old hydrate. Like, well, you got to tell me what what I'm gonna be doing. So come on, man. Why don't I even see the hydrate on here for some reason? Oh, that's 5 months ago, 9 months ago. Why is that? Oh. I I I keep meaning to get rid of the hydrate because like I actually uh no, I actually like I actually stay hydrated. I don't know, Pseudo-chan or Yee. Okay. All right. I'm gonna draw his cartoon version. It's gonna be fucking terrible. But I'll try real hard here. I'm on Twitch and YouTube. I would share my camera with you, but I can't because it's on a different computer. Mm. Don't worry. I'll start the countdown once I actually get everything set up. I need to pull up Restream on my other computer here so I can see chat while I draw this. I'm trying really hard here. Have you considered eating my whole asshole? Not just part of it, but the whole thing. Fuck, I just switched back to my work PC. I've done that like 4 times since trying to start my stream today. Well, I only really predominantly use like three of them, like actually at my desk, right? All right, let's see if I can draw this. my art skills are. Why am I green? I should probably be black since he's black and white. Okay. Let's see what. Does anybody know how to use Clip Studio Paint? Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, like super fast. Where do I put my phone for the timer? You can. Just you got to key them. It's 30 minutes, right? Sorry. Try Krita. Try Krita. Or Krita? Krita? It's it's an open source alternative to fucking uh Photoshop. Yeah. Yeah. It has animation tooling. All right. All right. I'm going to start this. There we go. 30 minutes. Oh, yeah, no. We probably won't finish, and if we do finish, it will be fucking terrible. Aku hates me. I know, right? I know, right? I don't know what you're talking about. You can tell I don't know what I'm doing because I'm probably attacking this like all wrong. The complete and total. Sorry? Wait. Do I draw him with his mouth open or shut? Well, it's up to Chris. It's his it's his art piece. Oops. It comes out like this. I think I put your ear in the wrong spot. I'm gonna do the squiggly mouth. There we go. What do you mean it's mine? This is your art. Chris. I know, right? I'm getting the hate from everybody. I think I did a pretty decent job. with look at that. I think I did a pretty decent job. uh what's the eraser? I think it's E. Yeah, here we go. Oh wait. Is it this? Oh, that's way too big. Soft. Let's bring the brush size down. There we go. That wasn't quite it either. So kind of. There we go. I'm BRB still. What? How can you be BRB while you're speaking? I ordered a new little piece today, and it's gonna allow me to have a bit of a nicer camera setup. I ordered two things, and it'll give me a nicer camera for. Yeah, I get it. They should come on Monday. Yeah. I'm redoing your ears because I think I put them in the wrong spot. Mm. I'm so Oh well. You will get nothing and like it. Hey, that package still hasn't arrived, right? Okay. I want pictures. I sent him some porn. Yeah. At least we understand each other. Yeah. The British did not take over my country. We still haven't left them though. Yeah, I think the king's coming on something soon. I think like the new bills. Yeah, they're not in wide scale whatever. What? No. We largely don't give a shit. You guys got time off work. We did not. There was no holiday for the queen. Mm, I'm gonna be honest. The royal family doesn't matter here. because it's true. What? What's a royalist? Oh, like Trudeau. I've heard that he thinks that we should stay as part of the as a British colony or Commonwealth or whatever it is. Well, Canada's Commonwealth. Yeah. Well, no, because Commonwealth is when you're connected to the Brits and you have the royal family. But you're connected to the US. Yeah. You're like a colony of the US, right? Hmm. I'm fixing your eyes. Uh, yeah. That means something to somebody. Watch it be like horrible racist people. You never know with people on the internet. It's hilarious. Wait, what was it? It was black something? You know what it is? We probably just don't partake in whatever anime that is. Oh, that's why I've never watched it. Or maybe I watched like part of the first season or something like that. I don't because you're a dirty racist. I don't know. When was the last time you watched Code Geass? Yeah, there you go. There we go. I think I've gotten the hair better. Oh no, only dirty people watch dubbed anime. Yeah. Might have to hit you up for Spanish translations for my game. Yeah. There's a couple languages that I want. The primary languages, the two big languages, and obviously the biggest one is Japanese. And then after Japanese, the next one that I really want is Welsh. Yeah. Yeah, at least you understand. Yeah, I want to put like a monkey with a mouse on his shoulder in the game. 100%. They do, but I don't know Aku. Wait, Aku knows Sea Dog? I don't think he does. No, it was Bowser. Did my stream freeze? I was too busy drawing you. I was making fan art. I was making fan art like any good fan would do. I voted. I voted for Peach. Stop being right. It's more fun when you're not. That's not true. I was busy drawing you like a super fan would. Post on Twitter? I might. Why? Hmm. I see Blue Sky as a temporary thing. I don't see a future. I don't see a future for Blue Sky. Yeah, probably. Oh, I didn't do your hair properly. God damn it. Yeah, but it was yeah, I'm working on it. Yes, as far as like Blue Sky goes, I I think that it's probably going to end up like I don't think it's going to go away. I just think that it's going to stay an incredibly niche thing and it's going to bleed users. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, sure, but I think that people are going to leave because it doesn't have it's I don't ever see it having the user base just because like there's already a monolith in that space and that space is not a big space, right? Like microblogging is not a popular system in the grand scheme of things, right? Like Twitter's tiny or X. right? It's absolutely minute, and it's had enough trouble generating revenue. And since Blue Sky is effectively ran by the people who couldn't monetize Twitter, I don't see it ever actually being monetized properly at scale. I I would I would I would absolutely love to see a good competitor to Twitter. Just because I'm a firm believer in competition breeds better products. But I just don't see that being Blue Sky. Oh, I have no fucking idea. Are we not doing another game? You're not doing another Mario Party? Oh, I was just curious. There we go. I think I did a better job that time. I thought you could. I thought you could. Mm. There we go. What do you think? Did I do a good job? Yeah, he's definitely more anemic. I don't even know how to use it. I'm fairly decent at catching them, though. There we go. It's perfect, right? Chris, is it perfect? Probably. It's horrible and you should feel bad. I don't know how it works. I'm on There we go. All right, Chris, I'm going to send it to you. Chris's waifu posters? Oh, okay. Because I'm going to say I don't have any waifu posters. There you go. I'll show you an infinite money glitch. Fuck, what did I even call this thing? I named it. I sent it to you, by the way. Yeah, it's on your Discord. I slid into your DMs. I found an error in this model, and I have so many questions. What? No, no, no. That's just materials. This is the error. This is not animated, so the triangles are okay. I know. He's just like quad or nothing. You could do it. All you do is you just you put a random dot in the somewhere in it. UV quick shade. Let's do this. See what this looks like with quick shade. we go. Oh, look. Watch this. It's going to be beautiful. Ah, there we go. It's gone. Yeah, the filthy horribleness is gone. Only have a couple more weirdness. It depends. If it has collisions, it gets in the way, and if it doesn't, then you just drive right through it. Have you ever have you ever actually seen anybody? Have you ever seen me play my game? Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I think I've got a different version than you played though. Yeah, that's true. Hey, sometimes Aku is an ass, and I regret sending him things. Well, at least you understand. Oh, apparently I can accept. It says accept. Did it work? Yeah. It's all I really care about. Your girlfriend's more important to me. At least we understand each other. I know pretty much nothing of her, but I don't know how she rolled such unluckiness. I like to think she has choices. I'm gonna just hold my tongue on this one. every time every time Aku opens his mouth, it gets worse. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Hey, ho, let's go. Yeah, right before he pieced out. All right, let's go to here, and we got to split one of these things off to see if we can figure out what the size needs to be. That's not true. I've talked to him on Discord. I'm fairly certain. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. So I think I have to scale it up 100%. Everything's almost the right size. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, no, that's about the right size almost. Maybe a little bit. A boot. A boot. A boot your size. I will end your life. Hey, don't you take my words. Stay out of the Canadas. It's fine. All right. Let's close down this and bring this into don't save. Let's bring this into an Unreal project that makes sense. Ba-doom. What? Chris is here. It's true, his mic is probably not working. The sexy, sexy Chris voice is not here. Hell yeah. Oh, Nessive Art is streaming. Nessive Art. Yeah, he's alive. He has good art. He has nice art. Alive. Chris has the issue that he streams when I'm going to bed. But Chris and I are in the same time zone. Yeah. He stays up late. And I wake up early. I wake up between 6 and 7 in the morning. Yeah. Ooh. Dun 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 dun. Do, 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 do. Main game map. I don't know if I did anything on this one yet. Let's find out. I think the biggest issue with this map here is that it's not actually correct. Nope. So it's very flat, but this area of Tokyo is not flat. This here is a hill. Right here is a hill. Yeah, and then Shibuya. And this here, this dips down and then goes up here. I know because I literally walked this street. Yeah, I walked this street in September. Yeah. It's nice. I gave Rem the ultimate option to come to Japan. Let's see if he takes me up on the offer. What hotel did they stay at? Why did they do that? Yeah, that's what what you do is you look for an APA hotel and you just stay there. Yeah. Yeah. They're frickin' everywhere. One sec. Yeah. Okay. So if we go like this, right? Here's Shinjuku, right? And so this is a popular area in Shinjuku, right here. Right? Here's an APA hotel. And it's APA. These are all the APA hotels that are currently in this area. You can see these APA hotels from the top floor of this APA hotel. Yeah. And then if you come over to like Akihabara right here, and we do a search for Appa hotels. This isn't even all of them, but here's one, here's one, here's one. There's one like right here. They're all over the place. They're literally everywhere. You know that you're not. Uh, they're yeah, like they're like at least 4 stars, and they're cheap. Yeah, they're like they're business. They're businessmen hotels. So like there's nothing extra that you get out of them, right? Like you're not going to get amazing anything, but you're going to get a comfortable enough bed. You're going to get your basic necessities. So like they're going to give you toothbrush, toothpaste, shave, uh, uh, razors and stuff like that. You know, you get private bath and toilet and all that. You get your queen size bed, and the room's like big enough to for the bed, a small desk that they put in there, and a couple suitcases, and then you're struggling to get around. They're tiny, but like they're great for like I need somewhere to sleep, and I don't really care about how big it is. Yeah, and like sorry. Yeah. Well, fuck it, just go to a Lawson's. A Lawson, a Lawson 7-Eleven, Family Mart. Yeah. No. 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 They got blocked. This I7 Holdings asked the Japanese government to block the buyout. What? No, no. If the other place bought them out, it would have been an American company buying out the Japanese company. Oh, apparently they've already started that. Yeah. Apparently we've got some in my area. It doesn't. They fucked it up already. Yeah. By the way, the Appa hotels, some of them have breakfast. It's overpriced. It's not worth it. Yeah. It's just buffet. It's it's well, it's buffet, but it's like a more Japanese inspired buffet. Yeah. I had it at 2 of the Appa hotels because not every Appa hotel has a restaurant for breakfast. So the one I stayed in Akihabara didn't have one, but the Shinjuku one that I stayed at, uh, which was this one right here, this one had one, and it was meh. And then I stayed at one in Nagoya, and they had one that was actually pretty decent. Like it was better ish, but it still wasn't great. I won't get it. I won't like it. It can be handy for like I'm kind of hungry and it's early because things open late in Japan, and it opens pretty early, so you can like go for a decent hour for food. But like it's not good. It's not great. I do I It doesn't come heavily recommended by me. Yeah. I went to a Pokemon Center. Well, they've got a couple, like in Tokyo. Okay, so Tokyo City is actually like this area here, but like this is the what we would kind of call the city of Tokyo. You just follow this ring, kind of thing, or is that the ring? Yeah, that's the ring right here. Okay, there's a ring that goes around it. So like we would just call this Tokyo, but like it's not. It's a bunch of different places. It's like Shinjuku is a city and a district, right? Yeah, but yeah, like this is we just call this Tokyo. Makes it really weird to talk about with people who are from Japan because it's like, yeah, I'm going to Tokyo, and they think of it as like Tokyo. No, 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 because we talk about countryside. We mean something very different than when they talk about countryside. Yeah, because like this is getting into the countryside of Nagoya. But like this is the countryside of Nagoya, and it's just like the countryside of Nagoya, their countryside is still really heavily populated. Yeah. Yeah, like this is the countryside. This is what countryside looks like to them. And it's just like this isn't really countryside to us, right? This right like yeah, like this is countryside. This is kind of countryside here, right? And stuff like that. Right? Like we've got lots of farmland and stuff like that, but countryside just means like not in a major city, effectively. Like my dad lives in the countryside. Yeah, like this is my dad's area. Sure, go find him. But yeah, like my dad lives in like this area. As you can see, it's farmland. And then like my aunt lives like I have an aunt that lives like out here. Yeah. What are you talking about? Oh, you mean Japan? Oh yeah, I don't even consider the hmm. They do too, but like it's kind of different. Like this is my aunt's like actually my aunt's property is like here. It's fucking huge. But like we do like can we do a measure? I don't know how to do the measure thing. But like it's just like we go like say from here and then we go into town, the nearest town. Here. There we go. It's a 35-minute drive into my aunt's area from the closest town. Yeah, I wonder if we can drop into here. We totally can. Yeah. Good old Turbo Granny. Oh, right. It was this one. That's why it was taking so long to load. Delete. Oh, wait. Uh, we do some light gambling. Like not your hardcore gambling, but like at least light. Yeah. There we go. Okay. PC1. Let's do this. What? Oh, I was trying hard to do something. I wanted to bring up my like actual notification thingies so I could see the Twitch notifications. To let's see. Truck-kun, meshes, new folder, booyah, tests, meshes, Shibuya, city, starter, meshes. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh, okay. Is he doing environment art at his new job? Ah. Does he know Unreal? Dope. Hey. I don't doubt it. Oh shit. I'll show you a pun or six. I have trucks. Terrible little trucks of Truck-kun goodness to like run into people. It sounds like Japan though is going to be fucking so much fun next year. Um, it sounds like Gaz wants to come, and Aku. It sounds like he wants to come, and Rem might come. So then I can play all the Crane games I want, and I don't have to worry about doing shipments. I might have a Crane game addiction. Those are the only ones that matter. Did I ever send? Did you ever see the photo of all the winnings that I got from the Crane games? There's two things in here that I didn't get from Crane games, but the rest of it I did. I sent it over Discord. It is freaking great. I won so many, and I had already given away I think three things that are not in those photos that I gave away, or not in that photo that I gave away already. Yeah, I don't like the North American style Crane games. They're well, so the ones that you see in Sea Dog's videos when he's not winning plushies are the ones that I like. Yeah, because the plushie ones are boring. Yeah, because they have mechanics to them where depend like you can actually be good at it and you can cut down how much how much money it costs you to actually win the figure. Where the plushie ones, it's not up to you, it's up to the machine. The claw needs to be a certain strength before you can win. Nice. We got a machine we got a machine store that does that in a mall close to me recently. I don't think I'm ever gonna go there and play. Well, go take a look at what I won. I sent you a photo of almost everything that I won in Crane games while I was in Japan. Yeah. Some of it went to Aku, the rest goes to Rem. The which? The Azure Lane one? Oh, that was a buy. No, though that is one of two. There's two things that were purchased in this image, and it was the Azure Lane one and the Goth Dommy Mommy. She's kind of like in the center ish. It's the like really black box. Yeah, it has a price tag on it. I hmm, I gave away uh one figurine and two plushies while I was there. I don't have a photo of the figure that I gave away because I forgot to take a photo of it before I gave it away. But I don't think anybody questions whether or not I won a figure that didn't make it into the photos. No, you don't. Stop lying. Yeah, and then there was these two. I won these and I gave them away. I get Oh, you gotta pay the tax, don't you? No, I don't think I'm ever gonna be that big. I I do wonder how I would do at a crane game event with him, of whether or not I would do well or if I would do really terribly. But the problem is that I don't think that I would make for a good challenger, because I don't think that I would make for good content for him. I think that I'd be subpar content for him and it wouldn't be worth it for him to do. Yeah, but like I think that so you kind of need to be like it for okay, so like if I was to ever end up in the situation where I was playing against somebody like Sea Dog in a competition like that where they would edit it and put it on YouTube, there wouldn't be really any big benefit for him because like I don't have any name. Like I'm not big enough, right? And then like I also don't think that he'd be able to use a lot of the content that I was filmed doing, because I don't think I really have the kind of like personality to do that kind of filming, right? Like it would just be like largely boring, right? Because like I'm gonna be honest, like I don't think it's like particularly entertaining to like watch me play crane games, because I don't think like I really have that style of personality where um people would want to tune in for that. Although like I could be wrong, right? Like maybe I would make an entertaining guest, but like yeah. Oh yeah, but like think about how big their audience. But think about how big their audience is, right? They come with an audience. I would come with nothing, and I don't think that I've really got the personality to like lift myself above, right? Like not bringing an audience. Like if I came with a massive audience, then it would make sense. Like it like maybe. Yeah, but like even then, like I think at that point it would be like more interesting to interview me as a developer than like have me on as like a contestant, right? So like yeah, who knows? Because like I know my limitation. Like I kind of like have a general idea of like where I kind of cap out, and it's not because like I don't think that I could do better. It's because like I don't have the drive to do it, because like I'm kind of like very much so when it comes to like streaming and creating content for the internets. I'm kind of pretty basic. Well, like hell, I don't even play music on my stream. Yeah, like I don't play music. I don't have like the characters walking around or anything like that. Sup, Jack? Yeah, like my streams are very stripped down and very basic, right? For the most part. And like it's like raw programming. I yeah, I'm not working at it. There was a time when I put a little bit more effort into it, and I was actually like a quote unquote bigger ish streamer. Like I was a fairly big streamer for the category that I streamed in at one point. And I think I was in like the top like 2% of Twitch at one point. But like that was a long time ago. No, it's surprising how small you can be and be in the top two, like 2 and 1% of Twitch. It's no, I was in like all of Twitch. Yeah, I had like an average viewership of like 25 at the time. Yeah, like at one point I was consistently bigger than Pirate Software. You don't know Pirate Software? Really? Oh my god, he's huge. He mostly does um I think he does a lot of just chatting and gaming now. But he currently has 1.1 million followers on Twitch. Um what was the name of the game that he developed? I think it was Heartbound. I want to say Heartbound. Yeah. Well, he talks. Like he does to like he talks about the industry and he talks about different things, right? Because like he worked he did QA on StarCraft 2, and he did um he did bot detection and stuff like that and security stuff for um World of Warcraft, and then he he was a hacker for the US government at one point. And yeah, and he owns a game. He was the lead developer of Heartbound, and he worked at Amazon Game Studios and stuff like that. Like he's got a very impressive resume. And like at the time, right? I was bigger than him because like he had kind of just started, and if you listen to him talk about his past streaming, he just he openly admits that it was not good content, right? And yeah, and at that point I was pulling higher numbers than him, right? But like now I don't think that I don't think that I have the drive to the content drive to create content like he does. my focus my more I would be more focused on like um building things, right? Like building a community is cool, but like I like building software or hardware or like building things is what interests me the most. But the problem is that it doesn't make for good streaming content, unfortunately. Like art does, but yeah. Yeah, for the most part. Like I started streaming when I started streaming a long time ago when I really just started programming, and it was a good way for me to effectively have the drive to do it all the time and force myself to come up with new projects. Yeah. 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 Well, I streamed all of me doing all of my homework when I did my 3D when I did my 3D course. When I went and got my 3D modeling diploma or whatever the fuck it's called. I don't remember what they called it. When I went and got that, I streamed all of my homework. That's how I met like Aku and Gaz and everyone. Whoop whoop. Rating people is a good way to get to know people. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot to do something. Sorry, I forgot to update the sizing on something. So I was gonna import it like 1, and I need to import it at a scaling of 100. Gosh darn it. Oh yeah, I should probably do that shutout thing too. There we go. I completely forgot to do that. But yeah, there's a couple things that I want to do for this game that would be like effectively Easter eggs, and one of them is some Easter eggs around like trash taste and stuff like that. Oh yeah, yeah. I was thinking like a monkey with a metal rat riding or mouse riding on his shoulder. Um, yeah, and then like yeah, no, no, you can't. I can't put her in the game. Well, okay, so I can put her in the game, like directly put her in the game, and directly put Connor's um, VTuber in the game if I don't sell the game. So as long as as long as it's a free game, I can do it. But I would like to recoup cost, and because of that, I can't put them in the game directly. Like I can't put a character in the game and call her Iron Mouse, but I can put something that alludes to her in the game. Right. That's why I could put the monkey. I could put a monkey in the game and put a iron a metal mouse on his shoulder, and because it's an anime styled game, people of a certain it would be an Easter egg, right? Yeah. And like yeah. And it's not like pallets pallet swaps are not changing enough. So I wouldn't be able to get away with that either, unfortunately. This import takes forever. Yep, yep, jeepies. Oh wow. Everybody's taking off and leaving me by myself. All by myself. Maybe. No, I think Chris took off. Oh yeah, because it's a stuffy. Eventually, this is gonna load. Oh, there goes Aku. It's like just straight up not loading or something like that. I think things are frozen. Wait. No, it's just loading. Okay, never mind. Oh, I got raided. Wait, did it play the raid stuff? Yay, it played the fireworks. Yay. I programmed those fireworks on stream. Yeah. Yeah, those fireworks were programmed on stream. They are unique every time. Yeah. Well, it's entirely random number generated. Yeah. Except for there's some sorry. Oh, there's some math involved in the fireworks to figure out like how many fireworks are going to fire based off of how many people are in the raid. And so like the more people you raid with, the more fireworks. So I think like every person gets like 2 fireworks or something like that. Yeah. Sup, Don? It would probably take like 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes for the fireworks to literally stop. It gets really insane with really large raids. Yeah. How are the fresh servers going, Don? So I take it you're heading out, Ron? Jamar. No worries. Man, this thing's taking forever to freaking start the import. I'm still waiting. Wonder if it's frozen. Yeah, it stopped responding. In task. I think so. Shit happens. They're fun. Should be. You said that you were getting double audio. Wait, do I have you muted on my stream? Oh my god. I thought I didn't do. I thought I. Wait. Say something. No, you're not muted. You shouldn't be muted. Okay, say something. Oh shit. Yeah, no, it's definitely not coming through. Wait. I think I can fix it. I didn't realize that I fucked that up. Do. Maybe this. Okay, say something.
Hello, world.
Okay, say something again.
Okay,
Okay,
now
say
I can
something again.
hear it. Okay,
Okay,
now
say
I can
something
I
again.
can.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, I had it on the wrong track. There we go.
Hello. Hello.
So
Okay.
everybody who is listening to me just thought that I was sitting here being crazy and talking to myself.
I love that for you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello world. I am Jamar JV, the person that just literally just rated. I do 3D and uh yeah, pseudo does amazing art. Go follow pseudo or else.
Yeah, Pseudo does the greatest of art.
Yeah, yeah. Let's
Said
get him
nobody
at like
ever.
yeah, let's get him at like thousands and thousands of views so he can like do a crane game video for with Sea Dog VA.
That would be dope. But I did this art during stream for all the people who didn't rate in. This is the other voice.
Yeah. He did my doodle, my doodle Mar, my doodle Jomar. You know, little
um,
mihoy mihoy.
Mine is far less good than his, but I'm still impressed that I actually managed to do a halfway decent job.
Yeah, yeah, you did an amazing job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also trying to like have a simpler uh design for him, kind of like what I have for the emote as well. It's just like his head and that same body, and then like two lines for the arms and then circles for the hands.
Yeah, you're like PlayStation version of him.
Exactly.
Yeah, I like your current, like what you're going for here.
Oh, do you have a Discord?
Yeah, I think I can
Let's
do Discord and it'll show up.
let's see, Discord. Oh, there you go.
It's a largely dead Discord. People have started pointing out the fact that it's dead.
My God.
There we go.
Okay, I'll just add you to the list.
Yeah. I
Well,
when I first started streaming, I built Twitch bots.
oh really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Twitch bots
Nice.
are super used to be super easy to build. They're substantially more complicated now than they used to be, but that being
How
said, it's
so?
not like overly complex. So before it
Okay.
used to just be like you'd get a token, you'd attach the
Mm-hmm.
token, you'd just go through their really quick login system, right?
Mm-hmm.
Through their because it's just IRC, so it's just like you connect over TCP. And
Okay.
you can do TLS if you want, and that's pretty easy. And you just kind of connect
Mm-hmm.
and start going. And to send as a user, you just need to make sure that you log in, and the only thing that you need to log in with is a token, and you can get a token just by going to a specific website, and it'll just give you a token. You just copy and paste that in, and you just authorize like as you do the login process, and then whenever it sends a ping, you have to send a pong back. Like actually, it sends you the word ping. You have to send back the word pong, and then outside of that, you just do string interpolation. Like you just read the string that's coming back and you act on it. It's super simple. It sounds more
Okay.
complicated than it is.
Yeah, no, like my mind was like that scene from The Simpsons where like the monkey with like plates just like doing clank, 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 clank.
Well, okay. So let me. I gotta log in my GitHub for this. Uh,
Here you go, guys. Pseudo Kids bought uh right bot Twitch bot.
oh, they're not active
Um
anymore, but yeah, they're pretty simple.
yeah, here we go. Twitch bot for dummies, pseudo version. Let's go.
Yeah. So if I go to, I think my yeah, SudoKid software is still a thing. Here we go. View organization. Do repositories.
Oh boy, are we getting fancy and doing GitHub?
Uh, Yeah, I had a bunch of projects. But if I go, I think, yeah, like here's the, yeah, here's the Python version of the Twitch bot, right? And I wrote this
Okay.
entirely in just like regular Python. So like this is like all you needed. You needed a auth code, right? And you'd get
Mm-hmm.
that by going to a website, and the website would authorize through OAuth to Twitch, and then just give you a code, and you just take that and it would just put it as an environment variable, or you could just put the raw string right here, right? But because I was doing it on
Okay.
stream, I didn't want to put the raw string because then people would be able to read it. And if you had the raw string, then you could sign into Twitch chat as me, and we don't want that.
Mm.
Yeah. And then you just, this is the URL that we're connecting to, this is the port, the channel is mine, and then the nickname was who you're logging in as, which is your account, which is also me. And then we just do this. And
Huh.
it's just like
So like,
well running, you know,
okay.
if we have a message and it is equal to ping, then we
Mm-hmm.
do the IRC ping, which just sends back a pong, right? And then we check we check for specific things, and we can do the whole like starts with vote, poll, giveaway, pickup, whatever. And then I think it was all in here. Yeah. There's the pong
Mm.
message, yada yada yada. Very basic.
Okay. So like,
Um
what does like what would it do? Like, does it just is it just like a mod, like an automatic mod?
oh, it's literally just it can do whatever you can do in chat.
Okay.
You're yeah, this effectively just sent chat messages. Like anything that you could currently type into chat, it would just
Mm-hmm.
I could have it would be able to be capable of typing that in, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So like slash ban, you could have a you I could go in here and just be like if starts with um pound or sorry yeah if it starts with pound with exclamation point ban space user, then um, it could trigger this section of code, and maybe it has a vote or something like that, and then after the vote, whoever it is, if they have enough people voting yes, then it bans them or it times them out or whatever,
Mm.
right?
Okay.
Because like whatever type of command that you could issue, it can issue because it's just interacting with chat as if it was you.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks. Ooh. Like it's complicated, but I'm getting it.
Yeah. So they're super simple. It's still largely this simple. The issue though is that the auth system is um, much more complicated now. Dawn was going through the
Mm.
auth system recently, and it's substantially more complicated now than it used to be. Because
Mm.
this auth system no longer works. They removed it.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah. So like I built this. This is all just there's no requirements for this, right? I don't know why Redis is
Mm-hmm.
there. I don't think it's actually using Redis. But yeah, there's no third party requirements. I wrote the entire connection code using SSL, or TLS and everything, a TLS connection and everything, just using Python standard library.
Mm.
Yeah, that's how easy it was. I also made one in Erlang, and and the Erlang one is much more fleshed out. I just don't know if it was on here or not.
Hmm.
But yeah, I had an Erlang version of this, and it was like it was super fleshed out. It had like
Okay.
a bunch of commands, but yeah, Anyways, I think you needed to go to
Mm.
sleep, right?
Yeah, no, I was just clearing my throat.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay, yeah,
But yeah.
that sounds cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep.
All right.
Also, are you ever thinking of using Nightbot for music?
Um, probably not. Like for my stream
Mm, yeah.
or for Discord.
For the stream.
Probably not. I don't
Okay.
stream with music because I don't listen to music while I stream.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Well, this looks cool.
Oh, thanks.
You gotta let me know when the beta. Well, you show. Well, the
Yeah,
other
you
one
already
was.
played
Well,
it.
okay. Yeah, the beta. Okay.
Well, actually, I
Yeah.
guess it's more of like an alpha.
Well, you can send me the Delta eventually.
Yeah. For anybody who wants to give it a
That's
try, it is here.
yeah.
But yeah. All right. Well, I will let
I
you
love.
get going. Um,
Yeah.
I think my buddies that I play games with are online, so I'm probably gonna go raid somebody and then play some video games while I wait for this import to take an hour. It might take
Yeah.
2 hours to import. God
Yeah.
damn,
No.
Shibuya
Like,
takes forever.
cause it crashed like how many times already?
Well, once, but like I stopped it halfway
Okay.
through and tried to re-import it and didn't go
Okay.
well. Oh well.
At least. Well, it was nice hearing from you, and you know, have an awesome stream.
Thanks. Have a good sleep. I will catch you later.
Ye- Laters, guys. Bye.
Bye. All right. Let's let's maybe go raid somebody real quick here. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it simple today. I'm gonna go raid one of my buddies. We'll raid it forward, and I will catch you all maybe on Tuesday, where hopefully we'll get a little bit more work done than just crashing Unreal. All right, I'll catch you later. Ta ta for now.